Okay. So this is the wind, and we're under a warning. The winds are coming. We're under gusty winds here at the present time, and yeah. So the sun is at the zenith here in the city, and my only job here. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh man. We're under a high wind warning here in the city of Windstorm, Ohio. Gusts of winds of 60 miles per hour, and the winds are coming. Oh my God. You see that the
It's not windy yet.
oh my. Oh my God. Here comes the first gust of the wind. Oh my gosh. See if I can get into a sun a little bit.